the Dyson Ontrac for you, and we try to get you the kind of tech that's used inside these headphones and try to elaborate it with the Dyson engineer. So what better way than to do this? Well, if you want to buy the Dyson Ontrac headphones, they are priced at rupees 44,900 in India, and there are ample colors that you can choose from. Well, in terms of material that's used, like we told you, this is the metal model and this is the ceramic, and you'll get ample colors and you can take your pick for whatever you may like. Dyson has launched its new headphones in India, the Dyson Ontrac. The Dyson Ontrac headphones are available in 4 color options: CNC Aluminium, CNC Black Nickel, Ceramic Cinnabar and CNC Copper. We'll talk about the specification. The Dyson Ontrac headphones feature 40mm neodymium drivers that deliver sound across a range of 60 Hz to 21 kHz, along with up to 40 dB of ANC that can be activated through a double tap gesture on either ear cap. Additionally, they include a head detection feature that automatically pauses and resumes music when the ear cups are removed and placed back. The headphones offer these custom EQ modes: bass boost, neutral and enhanced, and are equipped with dual beamforming inbuilt microphones for clear voice transmission. With a battery life of up to 55 hours on a single charge, the Dyson Ontrac headphones provide connectivity through Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C and USB-A. A travel adapter kit is also available for separate purchase. A quick 10-minute charge provides up to 2.5 hours of playback, while a 30-minute charge offers up to 9.5 hours of usage. The headphones have an aluminium built with CNC ceramic or anodized aluminium caps and microfiber ear cushions that weighs just about 451 grams. So these are the new headphones from Dyson, and they call the Ontrac headphones, and these have some amazing tech inside. And to tell me more about the technology used in these headphones, I have the Dyson engineer with me, the Mark Head. Welcome, Mark. It's nice talking to you. Okay, so tell me about the new Ontrac headphones that have been launched in India, and what is the kind of technology that's used inside?
So the Dyson Ontrac really is our second foray into the audio space, the first of that being with the Dyson Zone. But this product is our first audio-only product, delivering high-fidelity audio combined with high levels of active noise cancelling in a very beautiful form factor here that allows full levels of customization so the user can put their own touch and color on the product.
So, when we talk about the sound that actually comes from it, so what is the kind of inside tech that's used inside the headphones? If you could just elaborate a little bit more for the audience.
Yeah, so at Dyson we have 30 years of audio experience trying to take noise out of our products. Much like our vacuum cleaners and hair dryers, we want to make them as quiet as possible. But now we've leveraged that experience and are doing delivered audio. So we have a large 40mm speaker driver, which is delivering that sound, and that combined with 9 microphones across the product are constantly listening around 384,000 times a second to your surroundings, and then cancelling that noise out to give you the best, purest audio possible.
Okay, so could you just explain us a bit about how it works, and how can it be connected with the app, and you could just show us a bit of demo that how it works?
Sure.
Yeah.
So like a pair of headphones, we have our speaker driver in here that's moving back and forward at high frequency, and that's able to deliver an expanded audio range. Those microphones which I mentioned, you can see 3 of them here. There's 3 inside this ear cup listening to what you're listening to, 3 in the other ear cup, and then an additional 2 microphones here and here with 1 for telephony so that you can make calls. Ear cushions fully replaceable. And you put that on your head. We have 2 modes of ANC. So that's isolation mode. That's when the noise around you is cancelled, and also transparency. And you switch between them by doing a double tap, like so.
Okay.
Full adjustability in the headset, and all of that connects to our My Dyson app, which links all of your products together. So within the app, we have the ability to be able to change the noise cancellation modes, we have 3 custom EQ settings. That's bass boosted, enhanced, and neutral to go with the preference of your audio. And like Dyson, we're always health conscious, so we want to show you the sound exposure that you're listening to, so that you don't damage your hearing over long periods, but also show you graphs of how that noise around you it is coming into your ear, as well as the different caps and colors that you can buy for the product. So that all connects to the product. And on top of that, we are able to do over-the-air updates for future improvements as and when we require.
Okay, so I see them launching into quite many colors, but yeah, 2 models here that I see. So this seems to be a bit ceramic, and this is the metal. So any difference between the two besides the material that's been used?
Yeah, so we've put a lot of time into the development of the colors, materials, and finishes, as you say, studying trends around the world and preference. So we've got 3 different headband colors that you can pick from, and then, as you say, there's 7 at the moment, 7 different colors of caps and cushions. The caps themselves go through 7 different manufacturing processes to be made. Very light aluminium machined caps, and then these ones are coated with this ceramic finish, whereas this one is a nice turned shiny finish on there.
Okay, Mark, I've also experienced the Dyson Zone that were launched before these.
Yep.
So if you talk about the basic difference between the Zone and the Ontrac, and I as a customer is going to ask you which one should I go for, what would you suggest?
Quite different product offering. The Zone looked to tackle 2 key problems. One with pollution, air pollution,
yeah.
As well as noise pollution. So that's looking to target a very clear problem. Whereas this is for people who are looking for just that pure audio experience. It really delivers on that, and actually we've taken a lot of the learnings from Zone and put that into the development of Ontrac that we're launching today.
Okay, the Dyson stores are known for their experiences, so what kind of experience is there for the customers if they come and want to experience the Ontrac?
Yeah, they can come down to the store, experience the product itself. I would recommend it, listen to the product, get immersed in that pure audio. And they can also have a go at playing with that customization and put their own preference and stamp on the product.
So what's your preference in terms of music? Which the band and which the music that you hear?
I'm a big drum and bass fan, so for me it's a band called Chase and Status.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay, cool.
That's my preference.
Thanks, Mark. Thanks for talking to us.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.